The Mbux super screen in all its matchless glory. Look at the ambient lighting. Wow. Ain't this gorgeous? Okay, looks like we have an empty straight. Let's step on the gas. Oh, and this thing goes wild. The opulence and the grandeur and the richness of the car overtakes the kind of performance it has on offer. The brakes, the brakes, the brakes. Oh, what a rush. What a rush. Okay, guys, we are in the Mercedes E class. The E220D puts out 197 horsepower and 440 Newton meters of max torque. Comes mated to the 9G Tronic 9-speed automatic transmission. It's a torque converter and it comes powered by a 4-cylinder engine. So inline 4. Let's see how it goes. We will actually choose the dynamic ride select. We have put it in, this is sport mode. Everything is in sport. Manual 1. And we're good to go.
Please tell me your destination.
Please keep quiet for a while. It has selective damping settings with agility control. Oh, the sound. Oh boy, we've hit 100 in a matter of no time and it's blazing fast, but the way it soaks you in luxury, you feel that you're in a spaceship that's so comfortable and effortless. You are pampered with luxury. Oh boy. Does 0 to 100 in 7.3 seconds. So this one is fast actually. These long straights really help you enjoy such cars to the fullest. Well paved roads. We're grateful to our government for blessing us. The seats, oh God. It's just like a lazy boy recliner. The steering feel is so perfect. And still, all of this for around 85 lakhs. That's insane value. On today's day and age where everything is over the top expensive. We have a car here as well. Oh God.
I can do things.
So let's step on the gas, baby.
Writing text messages.
Oh, I love you, baby.
But I'm answering. I know everything there is to know about driving your vehicle. For example, you can
Please keep quiet for a moment.
Hey Mercedes, is there congestion on my route? You can also tell me if you're too warm.
Will you please keep quiet for a moment?
Cold or hungry. My goal is to constantly evolve in order to give you the best possible
Oh
support.
God, this thing doesn't shut down.
Just ask me
How do you turn it off?
anything new. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and wish you a pleasant journey as always.
Shut up. Thank you, ma'am. So this is pure luxury beyond imagination on 4 wheels. It's propelled by rocket thrust. That's how you feel. I mean, the propulsion and the speed and the intensity, it doesn't actually hit you because it's so well insulated cabin, and the I mean, the luxury is so much beyond imagination that it just happens and you're there within no time. You're maybe hitting 200 in a matter of no time and you don't even notice it. That's the kind of comfort and convenience and the premium feel or the pampering or the extravagance this thing has on offer. Okay, go one more time now. It is pretty fast to accelerate. The Napa wrapped steering wheel, Napa leather, is so soothing to grip. I mean, zero fatigue. You can drive for miles together and kilometers together and not feel fatigued. That's what it is. Why do you have a camera here? They call it a selfie camera. Maybe it's for the video conferences and all. Maybe, yeah, it would have. Oh, the road is closed. That's kind of strange. Okay. Go the other way around then. Let's tackle a high-speed corner. No, not a high-speed corner, but a little bit of cornering right over here. And over here, there's hardly anything. Let's go forward and have some fun. The seat has specific lumbar support. You have these panoramic sunroof. Oh, intense, intoxicatingly intense. I mean, the moment I sat in this new E-Class, it has that Mercedes star logo studded all over it. Oh, turning radius is surprisingly short for such a long wheelbase vehicle. This is a pinnacle of luxury. It's a symbol of pride, something that you'd like to own after achieving a certain point in life to prove what you're made up of. And cars are an extension of your personality, because people, there is a saying, show me your car and I'll tell you who you are, kind of a saying. So it's an extension of your personality, what kind of stuff you are made up of. I think your car speaks for itself. And you got to be very careful while choosing your car, but it's so damn good, it's so damn soothing, it's so damn comfortable, it's incredibly awesome, beyond my words could ever express. And yeah, you have this massive super screen borrowed from the S-Class. I experienced it in the EQS while doing the range test. Please do watch that video. It's a thriller, it's a nail-biting thriller, I can guarantee you that. The range test, whatever it happened, but trust me, there's no one better than Mercedes who brings you the top of the line safety. It has eight airbags, it has ADAS as well. And but anyway, so the 197 horses, 440 Newton meters of torque, it's all swept away by the immense luxury this one has on offer, immense pampering. It's like a pampering station on four wheels. That's how immersive it becomes, be it the 4D surround sound, Burmester audio, the feel that you are actually experiencing music firsthand, right, as if the band is playing right in front of you. That's the kind of 4D experience it has on offer. That's insane. And if you think it's a little too much, you can turn it off as well. So, but still, Burmester audio needs no introduction. And then the selective damping with agility control. Boy, this has to be the best ride quality any car has on offer, at least close to this price range, in and around this price range. Nothing even can even come close. It's so damn good, it's so satisfying, and it is So soothing, as I tell you, soothing is the word, because even after a rough day, when you come and sit in this cabin, it just calms your senses, be it the ambient lighting. I'll show you the ambient lighting in a moment. The MBUX super screen in all its matchless glory. Look at the ambient lighting. The pure lavishness of this car is so over the top that everything else just disappears. Even the performance, you don't bother about the performance. You just want to soak yourself in a relaxing spa on four wheels. Yeah, it's a relaxed station. It's a spa on four wheels. That's how you put it. Nothing gets better than this. I'm kind of falling in love. I'm more of a sports car guy. But the kind of lavishness and the luxury, it spoils you. It will spoil you to become, much more lavish in terms of your expectation in life, because look at the way it surrounds you.